How to verify Temu account. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the U page. Over here you're gonna find a fin option. Click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. The fin options will appear. Click on the option Account Security. Now here you're gonna find the option of phone number as well as email address. For both of these options, click on Add. Now click on this drop down and select your country code. Then type in your phone number over here. Once you type in your phone number, click on Submit. Click on OK. Now you will be receiving verification code in the phone number that you have just entered over here. You'll need to type in the verification over here. Click on Done. With that, your Temu account will be verified. If you want to enable two-factor authentication, you can turn on for this option. So this way you can easily verify your Temu account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.